Hello! Today we are going to create my sticker bag Cats with Coats. Join me in the entire process from sketch to final paper sticker. Let's go! Let's start with the sketch. Right now I am laying the vectors all over the sketch. I use the most basic forms to build the larger parts of the cats. And when I say forms, they are figures, and when I say figures, they are shapes. Like circles and squares and ovals and stuff. Not triangles. Triangles, I don't like them, maybe one or two, but mainly squares. Right now I am putting a special effort into the eyes, because the eyes are the doors to the soul. I'm doing a cat boot for a cat because I thought that would be hilarious, but it wasn't. And it also looked kinda disgusting. I hated this like greenish brownish color, burnt sienna. No, this is not burnt sienna. This is a terrible color. So I decided to make it like a prettier, more saturated orange, like yellowish orange. And yeah, that worked a little bit better. Now it looks like a rainbow, but I don't care, I like it, he likes it, we can work with this. In this pack there are 4 cats, they are really good friends, but I am only vectorizing 2 in this video because the sailor cat and the gifted cat were done in a stream, and I didn't save it, so it's gone forever now, that recording, goodbye. But I got the freezing cat and the outlaw cat in video just for you. The orange cat was a little bit difficult, so yeah, I went to waste time to the gray cat, just to procrastinate. I was starting to do some stuff to his face. I don't know exactly what was the idea. Maybe it was like to add, I don't know, like another color. I don't know, I just went to waste time and I did it. I was successful at that. I then returned to the orange cat, and you don't know this because it was not recorded, but there were a lot of color iterations, like at least 10 different colors, and that's a lot of colors, let me tell you. But at the end I was so happy with the final color because although it is way lighter than the original color that I intended for the cat, it doesn't look like a fox anymore, and that's a win for me. Yeah, we're alright. And here we have the 4 cats in all their glory. They are officially finished. No, wait, no, that's not right. No, cancel that. I need a little bit of a modification. I am actually changing the color of the sailor cat. I will explain that later. It's actually such an interesting explanation. But let me see. They are officially finished Now I got them together in the same spot, and I need to measure them so I can achieve 2 objectives. Number 1, they are the same size, and number 2, they are the perfect size. The second objective was not met. It was actually a failure. It was not achieved. I did something wrong, and when I printed, it was it was half a centimeter less than the ideal. And yeah, I got like half a centimeter smaller stickers, and I am so sorry about this. It was my mistake. Now we got a live explanation about the ideal size of stickers. Go ahead. Right now I am here on site to explain you the ideal size of a sticker. It is 8 centimeters. Thank you. Off camera, I did arrange the stickers into the right position. Now they are ready to be saved and printed. Right now I am placing carefully the sticker sheet into the mat. I also did it wrongfully because you see this square? This square should be in this part. And now let's face the consequences of our actions. This is the blade, and the blade is preparing to start cutting. And it starts cutting the mat. Not the sticker paper, the mat. After a 2 seconds panic attack, I stopped the machine and then corrected my mistakes. Once again. I don't recall the reason for this shot, but look, it's an X-Acto knife! The X-Acto knife is actually used as an aid to take the stickers off the cutting mat. You don't want to use a lot of strength because you don't want to risk the integrity of the sticker. The sticker does almost all the job. The only thing you need is like a little pop and then you can grab it easily. For this, the X-Acto knife is a really helpful tool to have around. Remember to always cover your mat, unleash your X-Acto knife and take the garbage out. And here they are, my most magnificent vectorized and curled up stickers ever. They are a little bit curled up because of the mat, but it's alright, don't worry, you only need to rotate them 3 times counterclockwise and they will be fine. Do you remember how many times did we change the color of this little cat? At least 10. But now I am so in love with the final color. It looks even better in real life than on screen. So yeah, I am really happy with this one. And now this is a montage of me piling a lot of stickers. They really look nice piled up together. The reason why I changed the color of the sailor cat is because although the first color looked nice on the screen, at the time of printing the color was totally lost. That's why I had to go to a darker and more saturated value to show a more accurate color. And that's why printing tests are important, kids. Goodbye.